everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the February Glossybox, and look, the box is a little bit different. It says Glossy, Timeless Treats. Oh, my fingerprints are all over it. I like to moisturize my hands often, especially in this season. I was gonna say winter. It's not really necessarily winter time here, but you know what I mean. So Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription. It's $21 a month normally. I do have links I'll provide down below in the description box. If you want to subscribe for a whole year, you can get your first box for only $1 with that link below. Or if you want to subscribe on a month-to-month basis, you can get your first box for $16. And you get, like, I think it's at least $70 or $80 worth of items every single month. I'm pretty sure it's 80. And it's so cute. These boxes are even like great quality to repurpose and reuse around your house. And, oh, cute, there's a little quote here. Beauty is being the best possible version of yourself inside and out. Audrey Hepburn. Audrey, did I say Aubrey? And then there's always a beautiful model on this little magazine slash handout. It talks about all the items that come inside. There's a little note from the Glossybox team. And I love how they say, hey Glossies. That's what they call subscribers of Glossybox, so I love that. It says, classic beauty is always in vogue. So we curated a timeless treats edition this month that will have you feeling effortlessly chic. From skincare to makeup to hair care, the February collection is perfect for creating day or night looks. Maybe you'll even find an idea for a date night makeup or for date night makeup. I kind of want to get out there again and date more, so not TMI, nothing to do with this, so, but I like that. I like the theme this month. After all, it's the month of love, yeah, February. And then I love that they always have this pretty ribbon and tissue. Presentation is always on point, and I have a cat right next to me who likes string. Come here, baby boo. She's just looking at me. She was napping all day, and once I start filming, she wakes up because she's like, I'm talking. Let's see what we got inside. Ooh, here's a little peek. But first thing I see, I think this is black nail polish, and I don't know why that seems really intriguing to me. Well, I do know why. But it's called Back to Black. That reminds me of Amy Winehouse. R.I.P. I love her. Valerie is my favorite song by Amy Winehouse. I love that so much. But black nail polish, some people like to wear for like protection or to like ward away like any negative vibes, you know? So I love that. And I don't really have, I might have a black in like a gel nail polish, but I'm excited. I like NCLA polishes too. I've gotten a few of them in boxes. Maybe, I'm not sure if I've gotten one in Glossybox particularly, but I've liked every one I've tried. This one item here I have tried. This is by Rodial. It's a Dragon's Blood Eye Mask. I'm really excited because this one does actually depuff a little bit. I always talk about that. I slept like 9 hours last night and I still have puffy eyes. It's just like allergies and genetic, you know. But cold, like, you know, stuff and especially cold eye patches are really helpful. So I love this. And yeah, depuffing Biocellulose Eye Mask. It's supposed to tone your eyes as well. So it hydrates, reduces puffiness, and it has hyaluronic acid to provide long-lasting hydration. So yay! We still have 5 things left. Damn. Cab Cosmetics cream lipstick. I always want to break out into Don't Be Tardy for the Party. It's Sweethearts. I have tried their lip liners I liked and lip gloss, but I've never tried a lipstick from them. Let's see. This is what the packaging looks like. Is that not really focusing? Well, you get the idea. It's this like gray matte. Ooh, it's pretty. It's a pinky color. Oh my god, I love it. Sweetheart cream lipstick. And I will swatch it. I haven't really been swatching things because I've been giving away a lot of stuff, but you know, I already alluded to it. I'm single and I'm just going to treat myself this month and try new makeup. And this is really pretty. It's nice pink. Kind of like a Barbie pink, but a little muted. Like, next we have here Natural Ecos. This is, oh, we have 2 things. So we have their restoring shampoo and their restoring conditioner. And it's the Murumuru. I like that. I don't know what that means, but restoring. So our shampoo and conditioner. Oh, Muru butter. Okay. Forms a creamy and abundant foam that gently removes impurities, prepping hair strands to receive restoring treatment. And then the conditioner detangles hair and treats daily damage, also enriched with Muru butter. I like how it says it's creamy and abundant foam. I just like the word abundance. I always talk about this whenever I hear anything like that. I'm like, I'm trying to bring more abundance and prosperity into my life. Thank you, universe. But next we have Versu Nourishing Cream with Niacinamide. I always like their packaging. I feel like this would be one of those brands that guys would actually reach for. You know, the type of guys that are like, but what was that? Sounds like I'm like constipated. Oh my god, okay, last but not least we have by Fabulous Vita, or maybe Vita Liberata. Vita Liberata, I love saying that. Vita Liberata Advanced Organics Fabulous Self-Tanning Gradual Lotion with Marula Oil. Ooh, I should try this. Last time I tried one of these items, I forgot I did it. It was a spray, and it was like a daily spray, so I thought it would be barely anything, but like, who am I kidding? Look at my skin tone, I should have known. And there was just like random patches, and I think I was like getting undressed to take a shower. This is like a TMI video. And then I was like all in my face was kind of yellow. She was like, what? It looked yellow. Like I thought it was like jaundice for a second. And I was like, no, it's tanning stuff. But I will try this in a place that's not as obvious like my face. And yeah, it says ensure skin is clean and exfoliated. Do not moisturize or use moisturizing shower lotions prior to application. Because yeah, that probably moves it around. I'm excited to try this though. I will definitely try it because lately I've been getting the urge to just be a little tanner, I guess. Because I'm afraid that, like, nothing's wrong with any skin tone in the world, whatever. But, like, I was, like, just looking at myself. I'm like, do I look, maybe because I was really sick recently. I was like, maybe, you know, I associated that, like, sometimes when I look too pale, I'm like, do I look sick? But I feel good. I feel really good. So I'm glad that's over, by the way. But anyways, that's it, you guys. I thought that was really good. $21 or $16 or $1 for your first box. I will link Glossybox down below. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. Probably should have said that in the beginning. I forgot, or if I did, sorry for being repetitive, but thank you, Glossybox, and thank you guys for being here. I'm super grateful for each and every one of you. If you guys haven't already, I would absolutely love it if you consider subscribing before you go so I can see you in the next one. I post videos here every day at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so I will see you in the next one, I hope. I love you guys. I hope you're safe and healthy. And see you soon. Bye.